How to post Temu code on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post your Temu code on TikTok to share it with your followers and potentially earn rewards. First, open the Temu app and check the Invite Friends section for your unique referral code or link. If you don't see this option, it might not be available at the moment, but you can keep checking back as Temu updates their features. Once you have copied the code or link, copy it and head over to TikTok. Create a new video by either explaining the perks of using your code or showing off some of the Temu products you've bought. When recording, make sure to engage your audience by highlighting why they should use your code. Once your video is ready, paste the referral code or link into the video description or pin it in the comments for easy access. Now that you know how to post your Temu code on TikTok, you're all set to start sharing, attracting new users, and earning rewards.